8. It's a big day. We are 11 hours, 45 minutes, and a handful of seconds away from the launch of the Artemis II rocket, marking NASA's first fully crewed moon mission in more than 50 years. Giving you a live look at NASA's Kennedy Center in Florida. We're in Kennedy Space Center in Florida, where in just 2 hours, crews will begin fueling the rocket for today's launch.
Our Jacqueline Quinn joins us now live from the Air and Space Museum to break down the significance of the mission. And Jackie, it's so cool to see you in front of the original craft right there behind you.
Yeah, because I know tonight later when the launch window opens up around 6:24, we're all going to keep our eyes on the sky. But for now, we really have to look at the history of this moment. Yeah, this is the command capsule, or, from Apollo 11, that is the module, I should say. It's from Apollo 11. It carried Neil Armstrong, Buzz Aldrin, Michael Collins, the only part to come back to Earth, that is as far as the equipment. And then from here to our next mission today, sending astronauts around the moon for the first time since Apollo 17. And we want to give you a live picture of the platform again. We have some notes on what exactly all has to happen. Early this morning, we know that NASA teams will activate the automated ground launch sequencer, which manages valve movements, timing cues, and thousands of necessary commands leading up to the moment of liftoff. Now, the goal of this moonshot mission is a test flight for future docking missions on the moon's surface. But the 4 astronauts traveling today will not be circling the moon or exiting the spacecraft for moonwalks, but the Orion spacecraft they are using is built to carry humans deeper into space ever than before. And on flight day 6, it will reach its farthermost point from Earth, 5,000 miles beyond the moon, surpassing Apollo 13's distance record.
This is really our first time to demonstrate we've got the system built to carry humanity to the moon, but not just to the moon for a short visit, but to go to the moon to stay and start building a presence on the lunar surface. So it really means a lot when you have your friends on board.
Now, those friends include Commander Reed Wiseman, a retired Navy captain from Baltimore County, as well as the crew that will represent the first woman, person of color, and non-American to visit the moon. Forecasters say there's about an 80% chance of favorable weather conditions. There could be clouds that cause the delays. But back out here, this is an exciting moment. Again, as we're here in the National Air and Space Museum, we're looking just at all the artifacts. This is Neil Armstrong's spacesuit. This also went to the moon, so you can imagine, this huge moment, this leap for mankind, it says over here, as we make our return now back to the moon. And we're going to be watching closely the launch and the time until they begin that countdown. For now, back to you guys.